Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from TM Tuesday morning, and just gonna jump right in. But first of all, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching, liking, and subscribing, and thanks for all my new followers. And I do post quicker on Instagram, which is DaretoBeCreative1, so it's the same name, just one added behind it. So I usually try to put the pictures up. Sometimes they up the same day in the store, sometimes it's up the next day, but it may take me a week or two to get the video up depending on my schedule. Anyway, so if you ever want to kind of see what's out there quickly, you can do that. So let's just jump right on in. And I think this is some new stuff going to be coming out February, so more crafty stuff. But anyway, this was on clearance, some walking weights, and it was 20% off of $5. So I got those, and these are 2 pounds. I don't know about the walking, but I'm using for other stuff, toning. Anyway, keep this bag here because I'm gonna put these in this bag real quick. I did get some of the 3D Frost gloss enamels, which I didn't own any of these. So let me just, so this is the blue, sorry about that. This is the blue one, and let's see if it has an actual name. This is 1913454, and it just got a code on it, DAG FW09, but it doesn't say. Oh, duh, right on the front. Blue, which, I mean, I knew it was blue, but I was just trying to see for the specific name. So, not bad for 99¢. I don't own any of these, so I thought I'd try it out. But it's like the puff paint, so, I'm sorry, this is the Frosted Glass Writer. And they had 2 of these, and the other one didn't have a cap on it, and I didn't get it, and I should have got it because, no, I'm sorry, they had 2 of these, 2 different ones, 2 different colors, which this one is the Glass Stain Pearlescence. It's a translucent stain, and this is aqua. And I only got one of these. The other one didn't have a top on it, but I should have got it because this top is not opened. It's sealed. You have to puncture it, but I wasn't thinking about it at the time. And I think that one was a purple color or orange, I can't remember. But this aqua one and the glass stain, that's the only one I got of that one. It's 1913449. And again, these were 99¢. So maybe if you want to write on a wine glass or something like that, something fun. Put these in this bag because keep up with them. Alright, so that was the blue and the green. So the rest of these are the 3D glass enamels, the Frosted Glass Writers. This green one, the last is 1913459. The next one, black. And this one is, the last 2 digits is 56. So you know, if you call in the SKU number, put in the SKU, your zip code, it'll tell you if it has it in your area. And I'll put the product number, the 1-800 number down below. This one is pink. The last 2 digits on this one is 51. So again, it's all going to be 19134, and then the last 2 digits, which in this one is 51. So that's the only thing they vary by, is the last 2 digits. This one obviously is white. The top feel like it was loose. And this one is 55. So I don't know all the colors that they have out, but this one's at my store. Purple, and this one is 52. And this one is turquoise, and it is 58. A different shade of the blue. This one is yellow, and it is 53. And then this one, whoops, knocking over stuff, is silver. So hopefully that would be nice and metallic looking. It kind of looks like it is 58. Instead of saying gray. So those are those. So knock over stuff. Then, finally got some of the little metallics. Well, we did have some a little sooner, but I didn't get them. But I got this purple one. I love that shade. It's metallic, and it's $1.49. It's by Momenta. It's a stencil metallic paint, and it's called Eggplant, and it is 1926705. $1.49. Also got it in what they call copper, and that one is 03 on the end, so that's 1926703. So if you can see that sheen, That's the eggplant, and that's the copper. I really like that eggplant. That's so pretty. And I thought I had another one over here. Maybe not. I don't know. Then I got the ones by Deco Art. Those were by Momenta. This one's by Deco Art. And, you know, these usually sell about $7. And these are the wax metallic finish. And it's 1 ounce. And it's $1.99. So this one is the black shimmer. You can see it's black. Looks kind of gray if you look at it. It's in the plastic, but it says black shimmer. And the number is 1913465. So that's the black. I also got Radiant Red, because if you know me, I love red. Oh, my snow is finally coming down. It's supposed to start at 7 o'clock this morning. Just started at 3 o'clock. So, And this one is 1913466. The kids could have went to school today because they were out for 5 days last week, plus the weekend. So kids gonna have some makeup days to make up, and today, and they already had them out of school before it even snowed. This is Copper Kettle, because you know we're a southern state. You know we're not really southern, but we're southern. Technically we're a southern state, and we don't know how to handle snow. 1913464, the Copper Kettle. That's what that looks like. So this would be kind of neat to try. I've seen videos of it, and my sister, she's into all that kind of stuff, so I like trying different stuff. I picked up another of the medias for the Stitch Happy, and again, I did a review. You can see, I'll put the link below for the video if you're interested in that. But check your needles, because the needle that came with the machine wasn't for paper. It was a regular sewing needle, so that might have been some of the reasons that people were struggling with it. You need to have the multimedia needles if you're going to use paper. So I just got some extra ones while they were in the store, so it would be easier to find. They give you 3 of each, which is the 18, and they 21. So that's for your paper and for your biggest twine. So you want to make sure you have the right needle in there, so then everything else will work well. Hopefully, at least I know that was the first thing I know. Is I checked my needle when I got it, because I used to sew, so I checked the needle since I knew they were selling these separate, and that's how I knew they had different needles in there. So you can see my video on how it works, but hopefully your machine will work too. I did pick up this graphic 45 washi tape, which I thought was pretty nice. It was $2.99. It was 1911274, and these are, there we go. In Creative Ego, she did, she pulled this out and she made some cards with it, so you can actually see the sentiments on it. So I had already got it when I saw her video. I was like, oh cool, I didn't realize it had a bunch of different sentiments on it. But anyway, so I look forward to seeing that and using it like she did. Yeah. Let me just tie this bag up, move it out the way. I picked up some more of these 7 Gypsies vertical refill, because I do have the flip ring, the stand, so that you can decorate. And I'll be showing you some of my projects that go along with that. That's on my table. And I got these precision pens. I use these for markers. These are really nice. And sometimes, like, if you need to fill something in, if you stamp something, they were on clearance. They were $3.99 and they were 20% off. And it was 1804501. Great for journaling, good writing. You know, you need something to write or to trace around images. Like I use these to trace around in my art journal. And I picked up this Spellbinders die. I don't know what made me get it, because I've seen it 100 times, but I finally got it. This one, what is on my hand? I got glue on my hand, black glue. I don't know where that came from. This one is the Inviting Words. As you can see, the RSVP, thank you, and save the date. Yeah, and they're about 3 inches each, 2.5 to 3 inches. It's $4.99 and it's 1881791. And I picked up these pencils. So it's 2 different sets. This is the watercolor pencil set, and these is by Brunzingio, whatever. It's Dutch, okay, but it's made in China, so go figure. But it's overseen by them. So these retail for $40, and it was $14.99, so a little less than half. I did do a review on it. I watched a review on it. For $15, it's, you know, this should be a good price, because they compared it to being $40 and not listen to the comments on it. So Anyway, I forgot what the millimeter is, because there are different ones there. This is the 2.9 millimeter. So if you go and you see the smaller sets, like the 12 sets and the 6 sets, whatever, check the difference in the millimeter. The smaller sets have thicker millimeters, so you actually do want the thicker millimeter. I got this one because I just wanted the variety of colors, because I do have some markers, excuse me, watercolor pencils, but I don't have that many. I wanted more colors, so I went with the little bit thinner lead piece. You know, just a couple of millimeters off. This is 2.9. I think the other one was 3.0 or something like that. I think that's what it was. I can't remember. And then I got just the regular colored pencils as well. So just, you know, that's what the difference was. And this was $14.99. This $1912673. I don't know if I said the number on this one. And this one is 74. It's the watercolors. 73. It's the colored pencils. And these are the colors. Both have a set of 36. So I figured we'd add in, I have some Prisma colors, so I figured it, you know, adding with those, we can see. Did get this. This is the We Are Memory Keepers sheet protectors, 20 in the pack, and it's $3.99 for your scrapbook albums, and 12 by 12, and it's 1930050. And I was trying to figure out, you know, this looked kind of different, so I opened it up. Excuse the noise, but I'm gonna show you. So it wasn't just your regular 12 by 12, and these are joined. So it's like this. Whoops. I think my camera is full. It's blinking. So maybe you can see it. But they seamed 2 pages together. Yeah. Let me stop this and start over. Okay, YouTube, I'm back. I'm so sorry about that. I guess my camera was full or something. So what I was showing you was I got this last 12 by 12 sheet protectors. We Are Memory Keepers from TM. They are, if you can see that, this is the seam that you would put through the book. This translucent, so it's not probably show up as well. But anyway, this would be where you would book bind the whole punches, and the 2 pages are joined together. So you get 2 for 1 sheet, if that makes sense, and they are top loading. So this one typical piece of sheet protector is actually for a 2, or shall I say 4 page layout if you do front and back. So that was pretty neat way to do it. So you can double the amount for less pages, if that makes sense. So got that. I already showed you these. The last couple things I got these 2 quick little albums. They were on clearance as well. $6.99, 20% off. And this is 1762083, and the brown one is 84. Basically they're 4x6 albums and magnetic closure. But these are quick gifts if you want to decorate something. Oh, my snow is finally sticking to the street. I'm sorry, I got distracted looking out the window. They gave us a day off early for no snow, and it didn't start to my city till like 3 o'clock, and they gave us the whole day and no school. And so I'm hoping that means this came late, no work tomorrow again. They already gave us days off last week, so I mean, I was off the work from the 19th all the way, and then go back into the 11th of January, a whole month. Like, well, we were off of furlough anyway, so we weren't supposed to come back until January the 3rd. So on the 3rd, I was working from home, and then I went 3rd I was working from home. Then the 4th, the 5th, it was snow days. They canceled it in the weekend, and then the 8th was a snow day, and then I was stranded out of town because it snowed, so I didn't get back in. I was in New York stranded when the pipes burst, and stranded trying to get out of my state when it was a whole bunch of mess. I was going to a wedding in New York, but anyway, then I had to fly to Atlanta. They had issues at Atlanta. Nobody, big as Atlanta airport was, nobody was at the Atlanta airport. Nobody. And they had all the ductwork exposed, and somebody said it was a water pipe broke there too. I don't know, but it was colder in Atlanta, and it was snowing in New York when I left, even though they had the pipes broke and everything, and the flights were delayed and canceled to get back home from me. The only way that I could get home was me and my friend. We had to fly to Atlanta to fly back to Virginia, but it was just crazy. But anyway, it was so ice cold in Georgia. I mean, it was ridiculous. Supposed to have the doors open. I'm like, okay. So I say all that to say that I've been spending all my time home, which I am not complaining. And now, yes, you know, yesterday they told us last night, oh, don't come in tomorrow. I'm so glad. my new employee is like so safe conscious. They're like, boom, love it. Anyway, so this album, it has the 4x6 sleeves. So it's 10 pages of 4x6. So of course you put one on each side, so that'd be 20. Then it comes with some pages that you can decorate, like scrapbook pages. And so it just folds out like this. So this would be a quick little gift. Maybe you went to a baby shower or bridal shower or something like that, like I did, and you can decorate it. And then it also has a couple pockets in the back where you can put some memorabilia, as well as decorate the page. And then it comes with one last, I guess this, I don't know what size this one is. Do I have a ruler? Let's see. This page right here is 6 by 8. So you can decorate that page as well. So I've already had plans. I'm gonna do one for the bridal party. So the black one is absolutely the same. The paper is the same color in here too, but you can actually make these your own self with any album that you have. You don't necessarily have to buy one. I just want one quick because I'm doing one for her for that, for my friend. So anyway, a couple of embossing folders. I did get a few newer ones out. I'm looking for the scripted one. I didn't find that one. But anyway, these couple ones right here have been out by Echo Park. They had these in the store for a while. I just picked them up this time. I was in the mood to spend, I guess. They are $2.49. Let's see, this is 2 of Macarta Bella and 2 of Petticoats. So this one is the beach balls, and it is $185.3790. Probably can't see because it's in the plastic, so I will show you the flip side of what it looks like. The beach balls. I don't think I have that one. And this one is the Yacht Club, and this one is $185.3789. So anchors away. I do have one, but has tiny little anchors, a little different, and it's a different size. These are bigger than an A2, and they're smaller than a A7, so they're in between. I've actually, let me measure this real quick. This one is 5 by, this is a 5 by 6, so this will fit those recollection ones that are 5 by 6.25. And then this one is the banner one, and this one, the last 2 digits is 92, and that's what the banners look like. And I'm sure you've seen these because these have been out for a few weeks, months probably. And then the last one is the rocket, and that one is 91. You know, cute for my grandson. Then of course there's some more Darice, which were $1.99. And I got to double check on the butterflies and see if I already have these butterfly ones. I can't remember which one I had, so I got both. And I'll take the other one back, or gift it. 1918164, and this one is called Butterflies, Simply Butterflies. And that is what it looks like. Then the other butterfly is 74. And that one was 64. Okay, so they do have different numbers. This one is 74, and that one, and this is your standard A2, and the A2 card is 4.25 by 5.5. All right, so this one is called Gem Swirl, and the last 2 digits is 62. They haven't really had that many new crafty items, and they're anticipating, I think, February to have a nice shipment of some craft items. This one, you've seen this one too. This one is just called Mason Jar, and I think I have that. But I have a couple bags that I haven't put my stuff away, so that's my fault. I need to spend some time organizing my new stuff, which I got to go back and go do. And this one is Wildflower, and I'll do a video, not right now, but maybe in a couple of weeks, on how I organize my embossing folders. That one. Anyway, so that is it for Tuesday morning. So I'm anticipating next month that they're going to have some fun goodies. So anyway, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing, and thanks for the thumbs up, and thanks for the comments. And you guys have a wonderful day, and take care, and God bless, and I dare you to be creative. Bye-bye.